Right, progress update on the Citroen Relay. I do need a name for this van. If you have any ideas what to name this thing, then do give us a heads up, because I will probably put it onto a sticker on the van before I sell it. So, first thing you'll notice is there is a window in the back door. Only one, I haven't got around to doing this side yet. These are the windows. I wasn't too sure about fitting because they are very, very tight. I think they'll look good when the whole back door's panelled in. But at the moment you can see how little space you have on either side to make it fit. But I am pleased with it. It is an opening window. Open it like that. Yeah, I think it'll be good. There's also, as with the other windows, there is a fly vent, a fly net blind and a blackout blind to go on. So from once it's all panelled in, it will should look exactly the same. But yeah, it gives us a little bit more light. Speaking of light, you'll notice there is more light on my head. I have cut a hole in the roof for a skylight. Let's move out of the way of the sun. So that was quite simple. Basically, you mark out a template as you do with the windows, drill holes in each corner, and then jigsaw around. Here's a video of time lapse of me doing it. So once that was done, obviously I haven't got around to fitting it yet because I do need to go climb up onto, I have to climb up the step ladder and then onto the arms of a 2-post ramp and then climb onto the roof in order to do that. So I haven't had time yet to actually fit the roof vent. I've basically painted the edges to stop it from rusting. As you can see, I've painted it bright green because why not? So the next thing we've been doing is planning the bathroom. Before we start building the kitchen or the bed and everything, we need to plan the bathroom. So my dad actually kindly helped out building this wooden frame, and so this is obviously the shower base. Annoyingly, it's the wrong one. I thought left hand. This is a top tip for anyone wanting to order one of these shower bases. They tell you left or right hand side toilet. For some reason, I thought it would. Do you want the toilet on the left or right? No, it is actually. Which side do you want the toilet? So do you want to be sitting on the left or on the right? So I ordered a left-hand one, for some reason thinking the toilet would be this side, and obviously I was wrong. So, simple thing, easy mistake, make sure you get it right if you can't get around it. Fortunately, we've been able to get around it. It doesn't really make a lot of difference. You can also see from behind, I have already cut a hole. The idea for this is, we'll obviously have a wall up here, opening door on the front, which will swing this way. So it'll take up as little room, little space as possible, utilise as much space as possible. The last thing I'll do is open the door here and there'll be stuff in the way maybe, I don't know, but it just makes more sense to have the door open that way. Toilet will obviously be there. The advantage from this is that because we've raised the floor up slightly, we can run all of the wastewater pipes along, because underneath here is the exhaust. So we can actually run the wastewater under essentially a false floor, come out here, join into the wastewater for the kitchen, and go down into the same tank, holding tank. So that I actually quite like. I think it's a nice touch. We're also going to have I haven't got it in here. There's also going to be a fold down sink, which we're going to mount here. Which again, same thing. We can run all the waste pipes down, join in. So essentially we only have one wastewater pipe going through the floor. I think that's pretty much all we've done so far this week. It doesn't sound like we've done a great deal, but a lot of it's planning. Once we've done the bathroom, so next time you see this, I'm hoping there'll be a little bit more to show here. Actually, I'll show you the door on the outside. So it's a little thing, but the actual door for the cassette, we're not quite finished yet. When you buy these doors, there we are, you have to keep the inner metal plate you cut out, you actually cut and fit into the door, so that you end up with a body coloured door, which I really like. That's kind of progress so far. So yeah, I think in the next week we're planning to have something more done here, and possibly fill that hole, because we've been having rain recently. So luckily the van's been kept inside, but I would have had a lot more space if it was outside. So yeah, I'm going to leave you with a montage of fitting toilet door bits, and yeah, that's it really. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.